Today we'll show you how to convert ADP's multi-position B-Series air handler from right-hand to left-hand airflow. This video will focus on air handlers configured with slant coils. The slant coils are utilized in B-Series models up to 3 tons. Check your air handler's model number against the model nomenclature listed in the product specification guide to determine if it has a slant coil. B-Series air handlers with slant coils are shipped in the right-hand airflow configuration, allowing for horizontal right airflow. They also can be installed in the upflow position with bottom return or side return on the left side of the unit. If you need to convert the unit to horizontal left airflow, or if you need upflow with side return on the right side, complete these steps. First, remove and set aside all front panels. Retain all screws removed through the conversion process, because we'll be reusing them during reassembly. Next, remove the cabinet brace. The cabinet may shift to one side or the other after the brace is removed. That's normal and it will not affect performance. Locate the coil support bracket and remove the 2 screws from the left side of the cabinet. Then carefully remove the coil and the drain pans as one assembly from the unit. With the supports being removed, this can be difficult to balance, as you can see in the video. We recommend an extra set of hands for this step. Now let's remove the horizontal drain pan retaining bracket with the 2 screws on the right side of the cabinet. We'll convert the coil from right hand to left hand. So first, carefully remove the rubber mastic strips from the front and the rear air shields and set that to the side. We will reuse it in reassembly. The mastic is extremely sticky. You can use a sharp blade to help you separate it from the metal. Remove the front air shield and reattach it to the right side of the coil. Remove the coil support bracket, rotate it 180 degrees, and reattach it to the right side of the coil. Make sure to align the front of the coil support bracket with the front of the air shield. Remove the rear air shield and reattach it to the right side. Reapply the rubber mastic strips between the coil support bracket and the air shields to seal the gaps. Now we're ready to reinstall the coil and drain pans into the unit. If the air handler will be used in the upflow position, the horizontal drain pan and the drain pan support bracket can be discarded. If you're going to use it in horizontal, reinstall the horizontal drain pan bracket on the left side. A good tech tip here is use a nail or a similar tool to poke through the insulation and give yourself a guide to align the screw holes. Slide the coil and the drain pan back into the unit flush with the back panel. Reinstall the coil support bracket using the through holes in the right side of the cabinet. You can use the nail trick again to help align the holes. Reattach the cabinet brace and then reattach the blower panel. Now that the coil has been converted, the refrigerant lines are on the other side. Locate the knockouts in the coil access panel for the refrigerant lines and remove them with a hammer and a flat blade screwdriver. I'm not showing it here, but go ahead and locate the knockout for your drain lines and remove that one as well. That'll save you a step. Install the coil access panel and the refrigerant line grommets. Now the conversion is complete and you're ready to finish your installation. With that, the conversion is complete. And now you're ready to finish your installation of the unit in left-hand horizontal or upflow with left-hand side return. Okay, that's it for today's video, and I hope that answered all of your questions. But if you need more information, remember to visit our website at www.adpnow.com, or you can contact our tech support at adp.techsupport@adpnow.com, and you can reach out to us on social media. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on ADP Tech Tips.